Ever wonder why some engines last 400,000 miles while others die before 100K, even when the owners swear they take good care of their car? The truth is, most drivers are unknowingly doing things that grind, burn, choke, or straight up torture their engines every single day. And the scary part? These mistakes don't blow your engine instantly. They quietly build up damage until one day, boom, a ticking noise, a strange smell, a sudden stall, and a repair bill that empties your wallet. But here's the twist. Fixing these habits is easy, and once you know them, you can instantly extend your engine's life, boost performance, and avoid thousands in repairs. Stay with me, because the final habit is one almost every driver is guilty of, and it silently destroys engines faster than anything else. Let's get into it. Habit number 13. Abusive downshifting. A lot of drivers think downshifting hard makes them look skilled or helps them slow down like a pro. But here's what really happens. Your engine is designed to give power to the wheels, not absorb it. When you slam into a lower gear at high speeds, you're basically forcing the wheels to punch the engine in the face. It sends shockwaves through the transmission, spikes temperatures, and grinds metal where metal should never touch. Yes, engine braking can help on downhill roads, but doing it aggressively is like asking your engine to take hits it was never built to absorb. Smooth downshifts save transmissions. Hard downshifts kill them. Habit number 12. Flooring it with a cold engine. A cold engine is like a dry sponge, stiff, slow, and not ready for action. Your oil is thick, sluggish, and can't reach crucial moving parts fast enough. Rev too early, and metal grinds metal with no protection. Every cold rev carves microscopic scars into your engine until one day those scars become cracks. Give your engine 30 to 60 seconds. Drive gently for the first few minutes. Let the oil wake up before the horsepower does. It's cheap insurance. Habit number 11. Accelerating in high gear. You know that deep rumbling sound when you press the gas at low RPMs? That's not power. That's your engine begging for mercy. Lugging the engine makes your pistons and bearings fight against load they're not built for. It cooks the internals, builds carbon, and destroys your fuel economy all at once. Shift earlier. Keep the engine in its happy zone. And every once in a while, take it on a highway and let it breathe with a strong pull through the gears. Engines need exercise just like we do. Habit number 10. Acting like overheating is no big deal. When that temperature gauge climbs, every passing second is costing you money. Overheating warps metal, melts gaskets, and boils the life out of your engine. Ignore it, and you could be looking at a cracked head, a blown gasket, or worse, an engine that's cooked from the inside out. When that needle climbs into red, pull over, turn the car off, let it breathe. The road can wait. A destroyed engine cannot. Habit number 9. Pretending a leak will fix itself. A leak is not an inconvenience, it's a warning shot. Coolant leak? You'll overheat. Oil leak? Your engine starves. Brake fluid leak? You lose stopping power. Transmission leak? Say goodbye to smooth shifts. If you see a puddle, drip, stain, or smell something sweet, burnt, or oily, don't gamble. A $20 gasket today avoids a $3,000 repair tomorrow. Habit number 8. Shutting off a turbo engine instantly after driving. A turbo spins faster than a jet turbine and reaches temperatures hotter than your stove. When you kill the engine immediately, the turbo cooks itself from the inside. Oil burns into crusty carbon, blocking tiny oil passages and grinding down the bearings. Just let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds. After a hard drive, give it 2 minutes. A tiny pause saves a massive repair. Habit number 7. Running low on oil. Engines don't die from lack of power, they die from lack of oil. Running low means your bearings lose their protective film. One moment is all it takes for metal to seize, rods to snap, and pistons to weld themselves in place. Don't wait for the oil light.
By the time it glows, the damage is already happening. Check your dipstick regularly. Your engine's life literally depends on it. Habit number 6, overfilling the oil. Too much oil is not extra protection, it's chaos. Excess oil creates foaming, pressure spikes, blown seals, smoky exhaust, and rough idle. If oil reaches the combustion chamber, your engine burns it like fuel. That means clogs, misfires, and damage that spreads like a chain reaction. Keep the level right in the safe zone, never above. Habit number 5, driving through deep water. Water is the silent assassin of engines. One gulp through the air intake and your pistons slam into incompressible water, instantly bending rods and shattering your engine. Even if you make it through, wet ignition components, sensors, and electronics can fail hours later. If you can't see the bottom, don't go through it. The risk isn't worth the flex. Habit number 4, driving at extremely low RPMs for long periods. Engines hate being suffocated. Low RPM driving builds carbon inside the cylinders, chokes the catalytic converter, fouls spark plugs, and creates sticky gunk that clogs everything from valves to seals. Your engine needs heat. It needs airflow. It needs movement. Let it rev. Not redline, but don't baby it into an early death either. Habit number 3, bouncing off the rev limiter. That popping, banging limiter sound might feel cool, but it's mechanical torture. At redline, the stress on your rods and pistons is already insane. Slam the limiter repeatedly, and those forces multiply. Unburnt fuel blasts into the exhaust, heats it up, and punishes components that were never meant to take the hit. Shift earlier. Save your engine for when it matters. Habit number 2, treating maintenance like an optional suggestion. The engine doesn't care about your excuses. Skip maintenance and sludge builds. Coolant systems fail. Fluids break down, and everything wears prematurely. Modern engines last decades, but only if you give them what they need when they need it. Oil, filters, coolant, transmission fluid, these aren't expenses. They're investments in keeping thousands of dollars inside your wallet. Habit number 1, overloading your car. Weight kills engines slowly and painfully. It forces your engine to work hotter, harder, and longer than it's designed to. Bearings wear out faster. Pistons knock. Temperatures spike. And when the cooling system can't keep up, the engine cooks itself from the inside. Travel smart. Lighten the load. Your engine will reward you with years of extra life. And here's the real secret. Avoiding engine-killing habits is only half the story. If you want your engine to last as long as those legendary million-mile cars, you need to know the habits that actually extend engine life. I just posted the video that reveals the exact things every long-lasting engine has in common, and you'll be shocked how simple they are. Tap the next video and I'll show you the 11 habits that make your engine practically immortal.